Alright, put it in the microwave. It's getting bad. Oh no. The marshmallow. It looks like a cake. Broski. Oh, can't eat it now. Wait, no. Give me my half-eaten marshmallow.
Oh my gosh, Toby.
Oh, let me come here. We try to make marshmallow explode.
It just sort of poofs out if you put it in the microwave, though.
You just ruined your drink.
You gotta put a fire on it so that makes a shell.
Put it back in the microwave. Okay. Ooh.
Ew. It's flat as a pancake.
No, it's not.
Now it is. And
We should have put another marshmallow on it.
yeah, let's do that. Everything. Oh no. Oh no. No, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Oh god.
Wait, is it gonna overflow?
Do we need a bigger plate?
No, it's fine.
It almost overflew the plate. Come on, let's put it back in the mic.
Yeah.
Let's add another marshmallow.
No.
Oh. Oh. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Oh god. This is gonna explode and then your microwave's gonna leave it, 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 leave it. There's only a couple seconds left. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it.
No.
2, 1. Let's show your parents. Let's show them. Oh god. We made a cake. We made a cake for you.
Add a marshmallow. Do you like?
How many marshmallows are you?
2.
Just 2?
Yes.
Jeez Louise, that's crazy. No, I don't want the cake.
My hand.
Love you. That's crazy.
Can I eat it now?
Yes.
Give me my spoon. Give me my spoon and some milk.